Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. I'm Romi, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on scrunchies. As you can see, I have one in my hair right now. I actually didn't make this one. I have like a very big collection of scrunchies. I don't even wear them that often, but I feel like sometimes it's nice to just like spruce up your outfit, or if you're having like a bad hair day, just to like throw one in. I think it adds a cute little touch. If you are new to sewing or you just like want to try something new, I think scrunchies are a great way to start. They aren't difficult at all. I'm going to show you a quick way to make it. Yesterday I actually got an industrial machine, like a professional sewing machine. As you see with my previous videos so far, I've been using a at-home machine. I just like cannot work on that machine anymore. I was gonna film a video of the guy like setting it up and like a little vlog kind of thing, but I wanted to respect him and his space because of Corona, so I didn't record it actually coming in, but you're gonna see me using it right now. I actually just tested it out and it literally is amazing, and I'm so blessed that I was able to get myself one. I am planning on doing a little tour of my fashion studio. Once I finish putting it together, I'm missing some like final touches. I want to get a mirror, but that is definitely something I'm planning on doing sometime soon, so look out for that. You can make a scrunchie literally out of any fabric you have left over, like whether it's like an old t-shirt you can cut up, like it does not require a lot of fabric. And actually, if you stick to the end of this video, I will be doing a small giveaway. I'm going to be making 5 different scrunchies from 5 different fabrics. So if you stay to the end, you can see the rules for the giveaway, and then you guys can try to get some cute scrunchies from me. Really quick, I'm showing my machine. This baby, literally got it yesterday. I love it. It's a little bit messy because I actually sewed a bucket hat for a customer earlier, but comes equipped with a light, foot at the bottom. It's just beautiful. The motor is literally on. I can turn on the motor right now and no noise. Okay, so I have this really pretty shiny polyester fabric. It's like a teal color. And so I'm gonna get my ruler and I'm gonna measure a piece that's 20 inches by 3 inches in width. So 20 inches like long way, and then 3 inches up. So I have my ruler. I have some chalk. It's always helpful to get some fabric chalk or a light pencil, but nothing that would like leave a mark on your fabric. I'm gonna cut the 20 inches in length in parallel to my selvage. The selvage is the little ends of the fabric like this, because that would make it more stretchy and have more give to it. So now I'm cutting this big rectangular piece. Next, we're going to need a piece of elastic. My elastic is 1.5 inches big, so I literally cut it into very small quarter piece, and I'm going to make my elastic piece about 7 inches in length. So I have my ruler and I'm just going to make sure that it's 7 inches. So the elastic can be anywhere between 7 to 9 inches. Your actual fabric piece can be more than 20 inches in length. It can be more than 3 inches in height. It all really depends how much like scrunch you want it to have, and then also like how big you want this whole situation to be. So first things first, you're going to take the fabric, have it the right side face you, and then you're going to fold it over and pin. Make sure they match up. Just pin it all the way around. So then you're going to sew it. I'm going to sew it about 1/4 inch. Now you have this casing where we just stitched 1/4 inch at the top, and on one side, only one end, we're going to fold the fabric back 1/4 inch, We're going to turn this whole casing inside out. Helpful to have a pin, a safety pin, at the end of the scrunchie. So now our whole casing's, the right side is out. I'm gonna remove my safety pin, and now I'm gonna put it on the elastic piece and put the elastic all the way inside of the casing. Now that the elastic is through the casing, I'm going to, you can either tie it off or sew it, whatever is easier for you. I'm just going to stitch the elastic together so that it's secure. So before, that piece that you like tucked in a quarter of the fabric, that's like the clean end. You're going to shove the non-clean end with the raw edges inside that one. So now you have this little circular scrunchie thing. Over here I tucked in the raw edge of the one side of the casing into the folded edge so it's clean finished. And there is going to be a seam right here. There's a few ways to do scrunchies where you don't need a top stitch like this, which may look a little bit better on the outside, but they definitely take much longer. And some of them do involve hand sewing. You definitely could get a color thread that matches the fabric. I just don't have some of this color, but this won't be really visible when you wear it because it'll be up in your hair like this. But you can see it's really cute, super simple, and for someone that doesn't know how to sew, this one would probably be the easiest route to go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. So the rules to enter the giveaway to get the 5 scrunchies sent to you from me that I made are to subscribe to me down below, like this video, comment down below which scrunchie color is your favorite. I'm about to show you all 5 of them right now that you'd be getting in the package. And then follow my Instagram, which will be down below in the description. I will be checking all of these things. So these are the 5 scrunchies that you would get in the giveaway. Don't forget to comment your favorite one below. There is a plaid one. This one's a little bit wider set, so if you have thicker hair, if you want it to be more visible. There is a rose, kind of like a rose gold color, champagne. This is a silk. This is the one I did a tutorial on. It's the smallest one, so this is for like smaller pieces of hair like this. And this is a polyester. It's kind of a aqua color. This one's a very thick ripstop desert camo print. Super cute. And the last one is a snakeskin black and white print. They're all about different sizes, and yeah, I think they're super cute. They can match a lot of different outfits. So comment your favorite one down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and then follow my Instagram. And then I'll choose the winner on Thursday. Bye guys.